We have some important updates to talk about. It's been quite few days for Airdrop, but if you dig down enough, I did find some important things for you. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, I want to go and open a few trades. As we see here, we got nothing open. So we're gonna go to ZoomX. This is a no KYC exchange, which is why I suggest you go and join. And as soon as you join and you do your first deposit, you get $30 off. So make sure to sign up. We are going to go, I would say, long. Now, actually, for once, let's try short. I will go short over here, 10x short at market value, and I will go short on Ethereum, as we see over here with 10x. I will go short on Bitcoin, short on Ethereum, once again over here, and then I will go short on Solana. Bueno, so three short position. We've usually gone long in this channel, but why not? Let's try to short this time. It does feel a little bit bearish, but of course I'm no financial advisor whatsoever, so you do you. But if you do want to come and trade, ZoomX is the best platform in my opinion to go and trade, as it is really good, and I do like it. No KYC, allows anyone to trade, so link will be down below. Come and join me and let's trade together and get your $30 off. Next up, we're talking about the Moonveale TGE date has been announced June 27th. As we see here, airdrop claim is coming soon. We see it from their official post right here. The countdown begin. Moonveale token generation event will launch on June 27th, which means in 4 days from the launch of this video, get ready to unlock a new era of gaming ecosystem with more tokens, your key to exclusive rewards, governance power, and future Moonveale adventures. So stay tuned and prepare to claim the more token, which is coming in 4 days. If you are eligible, let me know down in the comments below what is your opinion, what is your situation with the airdrop. We then have the Humanity Protocol airdrop allocation checker, which I know a lot of you have been waiting for, and it's been a flop. It's a complete disaster. As we see here, it's a complete disaster in terms of Humanity Protocol, in terms of what the people are receiving, and as we see over here, from the point, the eligibility, people are just 6 million point, you get 800 token, which is probably gonna be about, as we see here, 800 tokens. We get $40 with 6 million points. So simply go here, log into the Humanity Protocol, go and connect with your wallet. Once connected, make sure to go and add this one, do all of them things to go and check out, approve it, see if you're adding the network and opening the MetaMask wallet, signing the message, check your allocation in this page. Once you've done it, very simple, almost there. Accept, reject, do whatever you want with this one. And as we see here, welcome to Humanity Protocol. I didn't even farm it, which okay, refer rewards, here we got it. So I got 128 HP, I got 25 HP for the daily, so basically nothing. I think I got $40 as it seems here. So another dust airdrop, but let me know your allocation. You will see it here. This HP plus this HP is a total one that you can go and grab, and then you have the possibility to go and check your points and your leaderboards and everything that you can. So let me know in the comments below how many you received. But yes, I did get 800 daily rewards, 25 HP. Okay, the referral rewards were like this one, so not the best, but still a little bit of peanuts. And as we see here on the top, you're welcome to the airdrop, check eligibility. Oh, I actually got no allocation for the airdrop, my bad, so not eligible for this one. Once again, terrible airdrop. And it's not just me because I'm not eligible, I was expecting, I didn't even know, but here we have it. No allocation found, not even eligible, skip for another, again not eligible, not eligible. So they basically destroyed the community. We're gonna be going shorting this on a trading platform just like ZoomX. We're going to be going shorting that, and all of a sudden, by the way, you see why you shouldn't follow me. I'm already in down, so it is what it is. But I do think this is a bull trap, and if it's not, you know, whatever, next trade. But go back to the airport. We have the Mitosis wallet checker. Now this is one of these pages which I don't like at all. This is not an official checker. Don't go and click on anything like this page over here. I personally don't like. Now he does some great content sometimes, other times he goes to these fake checkers, which is, as you see here, Mitosis checker on rent. So it is not official. He does mention it, but do not interact with this one. I wouldn't suggest you interact, which I'm not gonna go to. So in terms of the Mitosis airdrop, please wait, stay still, steady until Mitosis itself launch the airdrop, or at least the checker, to go and check it out. Next up, we have update over on the ES, the Eclipse token airdrop, and as we see here, they've transferred 20% to one wallet and 6% to another, which could potentially mean that the 20% is the token allocation for the community, which makes sense, and then 66% over here, 60 million token, for possibly what could be the liquidity and decentralized exchange, which could be really, really good if this goes. So definitely something nice to see. It's all speculation, nothing has been confirmed by the team, but in terms of the Eclipse airdrop, I am on it and I do want to be part of the community. I've been part for so long, and as we see here, we can see it from the liquidity that I provided over on Invariant. I am ranked 13 with about 16 million points, and I'm trying to go and grab number 12, but he's getting a lot of points. This guy here is getting little points, so I could potentially reach this one and the number 10. But yeah, people here have a lot of points. I'm trying my best. I really want top 10, would be absolutely amazing, as well as Astral point system. As we see here, I'm ranked 444. These are the two that I am farming, as well as, which by the way, you will have the link down below if you want to go and join, as well as Umbra right here, which as we see, we simply connect the wallet, backpack wallet, and here I got the points, and I'm providing liquidity over on the Ethereum and Bits pool that there is possibility. So make sure to go and join that. But with that said, guys, make sure to come and trade with me over on ZoomX here. Once again, let's go. The trade is on point. I thought it was a bull trap, but let's wait until the end. Anyway, this is my course. I'm not financial advisor. This is a demo account. These funds are not real funds, so just for you to know, and fully transparent. But come and trade with me. Come on ZoomX. I think it's the best platform right now with no KYC to go and trade. But with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.